In this day and age, it's all about content. And to be more specific, it's all about entertainment content. We all crave more episodes of our favorite series, more movies featuring our favorite actors, and more streaming services to provide it all to us in the comfort of our own homes. Well, today, we provide you with a solution to satisfy those cravings. Introducing the Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Gen. This little bundle of entertainment is the ultimate device for those wanting to turn their TVs into the smart entertainment home center of their dreams and promises to fulfill every entertainment craving you might have. So, let's roll the setup montage and see what this device has to offer. Was that all? Well, that was quick. This device supports the latest viewing technologies that will take your favorite movies and series to the next level. Two standout features are 4K streaming and HDR10+, which combine to give you the best visuals in every situation. Now, further enhancing your viewing experience are my two favorite Dolbys, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. Dolby Vision is a technology designed to unlock the full potential of your HDR technology by taking each individual image and optimizing it based on the device you are using as well as the platform. Dolby Atmos is an audio technology focused on building a spatial sound experience that immerses you in the content you are watching. This amazing sound provided by the Xiaomi TV complements the enhanced visuals to give you the ultimate entertainment experience. This device is a huge improvement from its predecessor. This is mostly due to the fact that it is now Google certified and runs Google TV. This means that you have all your favorite streaming apps right at your fingertips. There is an extensive list of other Google apps and tools that are available through Google TV too. Google Assistant is also a breath of fresh air and is very effective in providing hands-free control over your TV. Okay Google, open Netflix.
Opening Netflix.
As simple as that. But if you are still a fan of the all-traditional remote control, you are also in luck. This remote comes with brand new IR functionality, which means that you can control both the power and volume of your TV and soundbar using the same Xiaomi remote. Now it's plain to see that the Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Gen is the ultimate smart media player for home use, packing the best in viewing technologies available on the market today, as well as a vast array of streaming services. You can take the best that Hollywood has to offer home with you. Now, shoo.